In the previous session, we saw how to connect to the Linux EC2 instance using the PuTTY emulator. And what we did was, we converted the PEN file to the PPK file, and then we connected to the Linux instance. Now, let's say, I want to connect directly from my Windows machine using SSH without using a PuTTY terminal emulator. Let's see how to do that. All right. So to test that, first, let's do this. Let's open up the command line and let's check with simply typing SSH, and you see that SSH is not recognized as an internal or external command, right? The path here is at the program files. So let me move back to the C drive. I don't want the program files here. I'll leave it here. Okay. So from here, let me just again try to see if I'm able to, run SSH. And I'm still getting it's not recognized as an internal or external command. The reason is I don't have the SSH package which is installed on this Windows machine. So how am I going to get that? How am I going to get it set up on a Windows machine? Let's see that. So for doing this, the first step that we have to follow is you have to download this package which is available on GitHub under this link. I'll be sharing this link in the the video below the video on the LMS, and you can check it out from there. And you have to go and download the OpenSSH version based on your operating system, all right, and your instance. So let's check my machine's hardware information. It is a x64 based PC, all right, so that's what I need to download then. So I'll go and download the OpenSSH Win64 zip, all right. So it's downloaded there. Let's open it up and let me go ahead and extract this to the program files folder. All right, I'll go to the local disk C drive and I'll put it into the program files. Okay, it got extracted now. Very well. Now let me go and check out this PC. Let me go to local disk C drive. Let me go to the program files, and you see the OpenSSH Win64 has been extracted here. Now, what we want to install is the SSH, right? So let's go and right click on SSH and let's run as administrator. So let me click on yes now, and yes, that was pretty fast. And but you will see that the SSH is not recognized as an internal or external command yet. The reason is that the SSH location is not being recognized by the system, the environment variable. Yeah, we know very much about the environment variables, and so let's go and add the environment variable. All right, so for that, let's go and find the location where the SSH is installed, the located. And for that, what we have to do is you have to go and open up your this PC. On this PC, you go and right click on properties and click on advanced system settings here, click on environment variables, and you see there is the path here. Okay, so go and click on the path and click on edit. So you'll see there is a lot of predefined paths which enables us to add it. Okay, so let me go and add that path here, and I'll say okay, and I'll say okay, and I'll say okay, and let me exit here and let me reopen the session. And you see there that the SSH is now added to the instance, okay, to this particular machine. All right, so this is how you are going to set up or install SSH onto a Windows machine. In the next session, we'll see how to connect from the Windows machine using the SSH installed on the Windows machine. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next session.